Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a little haul for you guys. I just got some Temu nail charms in, so I just wanted to show you what I got. It's not a big haul, but it's enough for a haul for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, in all, I think I paid around like $30 because I have a limit where I have to spend $30 on Temu if I want anything, which is new to me. They didn't do that before, but whatever. So this is the first thing that came. It's just this pearl set. It has, these are like my favorite. And these ones, both of these. Well, I think these ones are my favorite because they're like iridescent. It has these chunky stars, these pearl hearts, pearl stars, these hearts, more hearts, stars, hearts, and stars. I don't know if you were able to see everything. This is it. I needed more pearls, and this has like a really good variation of sizes. I think the one I had before only had like this size, and that size, something like that, but I'll try to include like a screenshot of like all the prices for these. No, I'll just link everything below so that you can just individually click whatever you want to see. I got these iridescent stars. So you can see it. Oh, I got two. So it's just these iridescent little, did I say stars? I meant butterflies. Yeah. But they're like different color iridescent. Like there's this pink one, which I am in love with. And then there's this like purple kind. Oh, and then there's this one. So that's these. Then the next thing I got, there's cat hair all over that. Oh my god. Okay. I got all of these giant. Okay, well these are a lot bigger than I thought they were. Some of them are like a good size. Like, oh my god, look how cute this one is. It's like sparkly. Wow. But like I wanted to do a chunky kawaii kind of set again, but like candy themed. So there's just a couple I could use. Like these ones wouldn't be too bad. This one says brown chips, but look, it's just so cute and sparkly. Chocolate, brown chips, probably barbecue chips. Look at these ones. See, this could look cute too. Like imagine a long set and it has that on there. So I think I could use some. This one might be a little absurd. So there's that one. Next in line, we have these moonstone things. Look how gorgeous. I'll take some out so we can see it in all of its glory. I do want to do a organization video once I get my studio set up, but it's not set up right now, and I'm not exactly sure when it will be, but whenever I do, I want to organize all of these into like circle charms, heart charms. I have no idea what that is. I guess it's a heart charm. Look at these. These are like snowflake charms. Hello. But yeah, these are super pretty. So, and they're not flat back either. Well, the circle ones are, but like these bigger ones, they're not. So I think I'm gonna use like my 3D gel glue, 3D putty gel, I don't know, to like put them on so that they can just like stick in there. You know what I'm talking about? Then I got these like purpley charms, but they're a lot smaller than I thought they would be. They're like mini charms, but it's fine. I'll find use for them. Wow, they're so sparkly though. Yes, because I have other mini charms too, so like maybe I'll do a set with like ombre mini charms, you know, a solid color or nude color, and then it ombres into a bunch of mini charms. I think that would be super cute. This is what made me place this Temu order, because I wanted these so bad. There's one that's missing a little pink dot, but that's okay. But like, don't you just want to eat these? Because I sure do. Look at them. I just want to eat them. I think these blue ones are my favorite. I like that color with the hot pink. I love these ones. Okay, this is not nail related. Ready? Hello? There's cat hair and I haven't even opened it. I got cat meme stickers. Oh. Hello? Oh my god. Everything's falling. Look. Hello? Let's just go through all of them. What? Yes. And look at him killing it. This is me for real. Hello? Please to me. Yes. Oh my god. Also me. This is like 2 different cats in one. Yes. Wow. Ew. I like this one. I like that one. Side eye. Ew. Hey. Yes. Yes. This is who delivered my Temu package. Yes. I love this one. This is the one that I wanted. Oh my god. We love him. Loaf. Oh my god, I love this one. I used to have this meme saved in my phone. I love that one. There's a lot of bread ones. Loaf ones. Hello. Me at the shower. Ew! I don't like this one. Looks like somebody else's mouth. Hello? Hey. Oh yeah. Oh lord, he coming. Yes. Okay. I know this meme. I've seen this one before. Hey girl, hey. So yeah, these are all of the cat stickers. I think it was a great purchase. Back to nail stuff. So I got these to go with the candy stuff. These are more reasonable sized charms for those. Just a bunch of lollipops. And then I want to get some like sugar bears and like those sugar charms, if you've seen them or know what I'm talking about. They look like they have sugar on them. There's a little crack in it. That's okay. But okay, these are my Sanrio. Is that the thing? The Hello Kitty and Friends. Let's open it up. I opened it the wrong way. You didn't see my last video. I was waiting for these to come in, but they came in like literally the day after, so I didn't get to use them. But these charms smell like cat pee. Or, yeah, they smell like cat pee. But like, you know, I'll just wash them or something. They smell really bad. But they're cute, so I'm gonna use them anyways. And they're like clay. They're like little clay charms. Here, zoom in a little bit more. Little clay charms. Little frog. Little frog. Then of course, these Hello Kitty ones are super cute. I don't think I'd ever do a Hello Kitty set, but I might just do it because these are cute. These are the cutest Hello Kitty charms I've ever seen. They just spike. And I don't know the name of this one, but I'm sure somebody will and they can tell you. Look at how cute he is. And I love the way these feel. Okay, look at him. Big forehead. Cute though. Let's see, Miss. Who is she? I know her name, I just can't think of it right now. Look how cute she is. And then here's my Melody, of course. I can smell them from here. Temu's gonna Temu, you know what I'm saying. That is everything I got from Temu. That my first video, that brand Brennan Rock, Just Something Magical. I do have a package from them coming in that I'm still waiting on, so when that comes in I'll probably do a nail set with the stuff I got from there. Maybe I'll do the lollipop candy set. I have a bunch of content planned for you guys. Like when I get my studio set up, I want to do an organization video. I have 2 shorts planned. I don't really care for shorts, but for this type of video I want to make, a short is just necessary. Because I mean, it's not like a 10-minute, 15-minute video. It's literally like 5 seconds. Not really, but you know, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna stop going in circles now. I hope you guys will stay tuned for that. And thank you for your time with watching this video. Yes. So that's it for this video. I hope to do more hauls in the future because I love doing hauls, but money is just tight right now. So hopefully when I get more money, I will be able to buy billions of things to do a haul for you. Please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed so that this channel can blossom into something magical. And have a good night or day. Thank you for watching. Thank you.